Good morning, everyone. I'm Madonna Guy. I just wanted to have a quick chat to you today about my Kinesiology Foundations course coming up soon. A couple of the bonuses with it that I wanted to chat about. Now, let's firstly go to something I want to share. Okay, so here's my advertising, which you can find on my Facebook group, Awesome Energy Healers. I've got it in my New Leaf Natural Therapies pages. So, if you can't find it, let me know. But basically, it's here and I'll have a link below as well. But my Kinesiology Foundations includes things like immune balancing, food checks, pain challenges, structural balancing, organ assessment, celestial circuit, first, second, third stage stress, negative entities, energy mismatch, and a whole bunch more. So basically that is a really cool, it's for everyone from beginners all the way through to 37 years experience. That's what I've had in the range. But anyone who has done my Kinesiology Foundations can attend my 5 days hands-on in October. Prepaid by the end of July, it's only $750 Australian, and then it goes up by $50 a month. So the full price is $1,100, but Australian dollars, but it's $750 if paid by the 31st of July. And the combo for Kinesiology Foundations plus the hands-on is only $1,900 if paid by the 31st of July. So, but the Kinesiology Foundations, I am planning on starting in July. I haven't decided when yet, but as soon as you pay, you get access to the previous 3 rounds. So I've done 1 round with Dr. David Nixon, 1 round with Dr. Sean Dillon, and another round with David Shield, the holistic counselor. So I've got 3 guys on the table with all their different levels of knowledge, none with kinesiology knowledge. So they ask really good questions. You're seeing real-time responses to things as I'm working through processes, and they don't know what I'm doing from 1 week to the next. So it's not like them coming in and saying, hey, I want to work on this today. I'm going, yeah, we're going to be working on, so basically it's a training process that's really cool. And I do apologize, my advertising hasn't been done. Our website shut down 6 weeks ago, and we've been working for 6 weeks to get my emails and website back up and running. So it's been a delight, to say the least. And it's certainly hampered my advertising for this, which is why it's taking so long to get started. So I do apologize for that. But I'll just show you quickly. This is the group, the Kinesiology Foundations group. So as soon as people are members of the group, then they get access to it. There's lots and lots of videos in there about stacking and amygdala and, so celestial circuit, lots and lots of things. And every time we do a session, the link is posted in here. So in here are all of the videos from the previous 3 rounds. So that's accessible the second the course is paid for. So it's incredible value. It's some of my favorite stuff. So even though it's for beginners all through to advanced, everyone learns lots of stuff from this because I've been doing it for 30 years. So it's lots of fun. It's basically about 10 live sessions, but we're going over, the details that have been done over and over again. So as soon as someone is paid, I recommend going and watch all 3 of day 1 videos, and then going in and watch all 3 of the day 2 videos, consolidating that information, having a practice, having a play, feeling what it feels like on the table with your family and friends, so that you can start going, okay, I can see the way she's working here. Because what I'm trying to do is bypass the challenges that people have when they're learning, because the way we're taught in kinesiology is that if the muscle testing doesn't work initially, it's your fault. You're switching. You don't have the belief. You don't, so I don't believe that. I don't believe that. I know that there's a lot of first, second, third stage stress going on, which is what I teach from the very first session. So from the very first session, we get heaps and heaps of information, and questions are answered on the spot. And they're basically 90 to 120 minutes long for that 10 sessions. So anyway, but like I said, you automatically get the dozens of videos from the other rounds. So anyway, have a great day. I'll put a link below. Take care.